Hi, my name is Cynthia. Today I'm going to go over a Carbon Copy Pro online marketing system. The Carbon Copy Pro marketing system was created by Aaron Parkinson and Jay Kubisak after they became massively successful in home business industry using their cutting-edge online marketing techniques. The Carbon Copy Pro Bib, or Business in a Box, was introduced in the summer of 2007. The revolutionary product allowed for more members, higher conversions, and much more money in the pockets of its members. Carbon Copy Pro has evolved into the definitive icon of online marketing systems and has emerged as the online entrepreneur's premier educational recourse. Partnering with a big-ticket direct sales company that offers large upfront commission, Carbon Copy Pro members are creating major paydays together at a rate never before seen in the network marketing industry. Aaron and Jay recognize the main variables that cause network marketers to fail and simply remove them. Most people were not good at selling, so Carbon Copy Pro introduced a call center to close the sales for its members. They also recognize the lack of real-world marketing education that plagues the industry and therefore created a top-of-the-line marketing education found nowhere else online. The Carbon Copy Pro marketing system is also built around marketing a success story rather than a series of products or services. When you get into the psychology of the home business prospect, it becomes clear that no one actually wants to join a home business. They want to follow a leader. The Carbon Copy Pro system simply gives them a leader to follow, and members can effectively market the success story of Jay and Aaron while they create a success story of their own. Today, the Carbon Copy Pro system continues to evolve with new members in over 100 countries worldwide. With the back office now translated into 42 languages, a new Carbon Copy Pro International is born. So for more information, you can visit http://www.411entrepreneurmindset.com. Thanks. Have a good day.